Showing you the before and after of this session. Okay. Join us as we do a setup for one of our clients that booked a session with us this morning. Yes, his name is.
My name is Strongson. I'm from Asaba. You get there. God is great.
Okay, so stay tuned because after this we'll be showing you the before and after of this session. Okay.